Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Tuesday, January the 5th, 2010. We always like to start off with our market profiles, and in particular the Globex session being included right here. So this is what occurred overnight. These profiles are what occurred today, and of course this is what happened on Monday. So this is the regular trading hours only. And this one right here is the overnight session. So as you can see, the market continued to find support in around that 2650 area I was mentioning. It did dip below it during the regular trading hours today and then turn around and have a good move higher. So certainly the bulls are still in charge, and as you can see, we not only made a new high here in the overnight session, but once again made another new high during the regular trading hours. So things are still looking very positive, very bullish. We also like to use these individual days only, in that they're the regular trading hours only, to give us additional clues as to what we think the condition of the market is. And in looking at this, we still feel the market is heading higher, keep getting good range extension up, and probably support in around the 29 area and around the 27 area, and then down around the 25 area, which is today's low. So that's really what we're looking at as far as a preference goes. Here's our individual day today, only with our software. We did have one trade as the market rallied higher, and that was right up in here when it was making a new high. Unfortunately, when we got into this trade, we ended up losing 2 ticks on that. We got out of the trade 10 minutes later, which is what we do. But you can see here how the market came down, that 2650 area that I had mentioned yesterday. I'll just draw this blue line at it, and you can see that the market dipped here on the news, and a very quick rebound. Came down and tested it once more late in the day, and of course had a nice rally to finish off the day, actually making a new high for the day just right at the end. So still the market is looking like it wants to continue higher, and so obviously we want to try and get on the long side from a market logic basis, and in the sense of holding the trade longer than just what our individual trades suggest. Of course, our trades are really designed to take small little bites out of the market and not really look at a longer time frame day trade, although we can place that within that context if we get a trade set up and trigger that will allow us to do so. And of course, that's always what we'd like to see. So in other words, yesterday when the market, or today I should say, when the market came down and tested into here, you can see it just touched it right there with that cyan bar, then had a bit of a bounce up over a couple of points, came down, tested below here, and then back up again. Unfortunately, we didn't actually have a trigger to get long in here. Now, a lot of our traders that have been with us for some time would have used the deceleration bar here to get on board the long side once its high was taken out, and be able to participate in that nice up move to finish off the day. The reason it was not one of our system trades is that we were in a neutral filter at that time. But when we go ahead and take a look at the overall view of the market and how it's acting based on where we think good support resistance is, this is obviously a trade that we were looking to get into anytime the market could reject off of price down around that 2650 area. So and tomorrow is really the same, anywhere from 27 to 25. If it can hold above 31 overnight, then 31 can very well act as support as well. So at any rate, any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. We can be reached at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. Phone numbers on the website. We'd always appreciate and are always interested in anybody's comments or questions. So thanks for taking the time to view this video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.